In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete addresses from Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few things to keep in mind so you don't accidentally remove something you still need. First, head over to do.amazon.com in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, Amazon will prompt you to log in before you can make changes to your account. Use a trusted device and a secure network when signing in, since you'll be managing personal information. Next, look to the upper right corner of the page for Account and Lists. Click it. This is the main hub for your profile settings, orders, and address book. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the desktop site and that the window isn't too narrow. On smaller screens, this menu can collapse into a simpler header. From there, click on your addresses. This opens your Amazon address book, where all your saved shipping locations are displayed as tiles. You'll typically see a default address marked, along with any others you've added for work, family, or past deliveries. Take a quick moment to scan the list so you know exactly which one you want to remove. If you use features like Subscribe and Save or have recent orders, it's helpful to note which address those typically use before deleting. Now, select the address you want to remove. You don't have to open a separate page. Just find the correct tile by looking at the name, street, and city details. Double-check for small differences like apartment numbers or similar street names to avoid deleting the wrong entry, especially if you have multiple versions of the same place. Once you've confirmed the correct entry, click Remove. Amazon will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the address. Go ahead and confirm. This permanently removes the address from your address book. If you change your mind later, you can always re-add it manually. Deleting an address doesn't change any orders that have already been placed. Those will continue using the address selected at checkout. Also, if you remove your default address, Amazon will designate another saved address as the new default, or prompt you to pick one when you next check out. That's all there is to it. Go to Amazon, open Account and Lists, choose your addresses, select the one you no longer need, and click Remove. With a quick review for accuracy and a simple confirmation, your address book stays tidy and up to date.